I'm sure a lot of people, even yesterday and also today, the next couple of days, headed up to go enjoy all of the snow we picked up. This is from this past week. You can see from anywhere 30 to 45 inches. Tons of powder out there to go and enjoy. Just do so safely. We do have some high avalanche conditions because we have had those unstable layers, and also with the temperature swing, that does create some of those unstable layers too. But if you are headed out, no activity for today. Going to be staying on the dry side, plenty of sunshine out there. But as we go into next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, can find a little bit of some very light snow showers, nothing to the extent of the totals that we just saw and picked up. Here's by your Wednesday morning. You can see central, northern mountains, Winter Park, Steamboat. We're talking about 1, maybe 2 inches on those higher peaks. So fairly light, not a whole lot of activity as we go into our upcoming week with this drier, quiet weather pattern. And you can see that that's the case already out there on radar for this morning, just like how we were yesterday. Plenty of sunshine all the way across. Temperatures also not too bad, fairly mild start. We see 30s, 40s across the metro. Definitely still cold in Guttison, 5 degrees, 16 in Leadville. So still take the warm layer as you are headed out. Just not going to need too many of them for today. You can see to the west, again, if you are headed up, maybe hitting the slopes, 30s, 40s, not going to need all those extra warm layers. And the rest of us, 50s and 60s all the way across the state. So a gorgeous day wherever you are, wherever you're headed, to definitely get outside. We will have a little bit more of the wind, 10, 20 miles per hour for this morning, and here into the foothills where we have a bit more of those gusty conditions. Also into the mountains, can see about 25 to 40 miles per hour. This is coming with that system that works its way into Wednesday and bringing some of those light snow showers. That's where we can find the wind pick up. You can see here on your futurecast about 25 to 30 miles per hour, even double that in some spots across the metro. May just find a few of those gusty conditions from time to time, and then more so as we go into Monday. Can see 60, 70, the pink and the purple. So would not be surprised if we are added to a high wind watch or warning. Right now, that's only off towards the north into Wyoming. So if you are headed that way, that's where you will run into a bit more of the windy conditions already. And then as we work through the weekend, today, and then also through the next couple of days, could be added to that. But of course, we'll keep you updated with that. 7-day forecast, we got the 60s today, tomorrow, Tuesday, beautiful days. There's the wind. It also helps us to warm things up because it's coming out of the southwest. That brings in our system midweek. No activity here, just some light snow showers up in the high country, drops us to the 50s, and then we are right back to the 60s as we finish off the week and head into next weekend.